So welcome everyone. Welcome to Sadeva classes. You are in standard 4 and this is the textbook of standard 4 English Balabharti of English medium, right? So we are going to start your start means we are going to continue your lesson. We are going to take your lesson, second lesson, that is Aesop's fable. Aesop's fable, and let's see what is given in this verse. Yes. So what is given in this Aesop's fable chapter? So let's begin your chapter. Let's begin your chapter. So fables. What are fables? Fables are short stories that have a moral or a message for us. Something to learn and keep in mind as we grow up. जसं जसं मोठं होत तसं या morals आपल्याला कळलं पाहिजे. We should know. And thus these are the short stories. Fables are short stories. They give us a message. They give us a message, like they give some message or a moral. Most of the fables have animal characters who think and act just like human beings, right? याच्यामध्ये बरेचसे animals असतात, they think and act like humans act. It is believed that many of the fables were first told by wise person called as Aesop. Aesop was a person. Aesop was a person who first told these fables. Aesop lived hundreds of years ago in a country called as Greece. Okay, where he lived, where did he live? So in a country called as Greece. His stories became so popular that people passed them on from generation to generation. Many proverbs and sayings that we use today are based on these fables. So here are two well known fables. इधर तुम्हाला दोन fables या ठिकाणी दिलेले आहेत. Okay, चलो हम देखें कौन कौन से fables given to you. The first one is the stag at the pool. The stag at the pool. This is one fable, stag at the pool. Let's see this fable. One day, a beautiful stag came to a pool of clear water. As he bent down to drink, he saw his own reflection in the water. He was delighted with what he saw. Instead of drinking water, he kept looking at his own reflection. And what he said, "Oh, how handsome I look! मैं कितना सुंदर दिख रहा हूँ, how handsome I look." He said to himself, "How beautiful are these curving antlers! How they add to my beauty, how graceful they look," right? So he was looking at himself, to his reflection. Then he moved nearer and saw his legs reflected in the pool. He was quite disgusted. You disgusted because why he was disgusted? Because look at my legs. Oh, they are so ugly. Legs are so ugly, all spindly with small feet. How I wish the nature had given me legs worthy of my stately antlers. Worthy of my stately antlers. As he was brooding in his way, the stag heard and what? An arrow going swish across the pool. At the same time, he picked up the scent of hunters. With a quick turn, he bounded away. His legs carried him swiftly into the forest. The hunters were not on his trail, but they were no match for his speed. Soon the stag left the hunters far behind. ठीक है, so क्या हुआ देखो. What he was thinking, see, this is the reflection. He was thinking कितना सुंदर दिख रहा हूं मैं, so how the antlers look like, but look at my legs, they are so ugly. उसने कहा legs ugly है. At the same time there was a hunter and he heard an arrow going. तो उसने देखा और वो भाग गया, तो उसके जो पैर थे वो पैर उसको उसको the पैर, just a minute. So what was happened, that he was happy with his antlers, but he was not happy with his legs. Safe and out of the hunter's reach, the stag slowed down suddenly without realizing it. He walked into the thicket. There were trees with strong branches growing close together, and alas, the same antler of which he was so proud got caught in the thick growth. The stag tried to shake himself free, but the more he struggled, the more entangled his antlers got into the branches. Once again, the stag could hear the hunters drawing close and grew afraid. At last, with great difficulty, he managed to free his antlers and bounded away, right? So what happened, देखो, उसने he ran because of his ugly, so called ugly legs. उसको leg अच्छे नहीं थे, but they help him to run fast. लेकिन उसके जो antlers थे, they make him, what you can say, इसकी वजह से वो डिफिकल्टी में फंस गया था. नाउ एज फिर से वो हंटर आ गए थे. नाउ ही managed to get free himself, and he realized that my ugly or his ugly feet saved his life. So I was so proud that these handsome antlers, but they would have been the cause of my death very often. We dislike very things that are most useful to us, right? We so what we get from this lesson, क्या हम lesson से what we get from this lesson, what is the moral? That we dislike many things, we often dislike many things, but these things are most useful to us, right? They are most useful to us. Okay, sure. Now let's see the second fable, that is the dog in the manger. So once a dog was looking for a nice and comfortable place to lie down. He came to manger of an ox and jumped onto the hay to rest. It was a very hot afternoon. While after a while the ox returned from the field. He had worked hard in the hot sun and was now quite hungry. वो जो ox था वो hungry था. उसने देखा कि यार मेरे जहाँ पे जो भी हे 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 म्हणजे गवत त्या ठिकाणी तो बसलेला बघितलं नाही. He stood in his stall and was planning to eat the hay that was put in the manger for him. However, when he reached for the hay, the dog saw him standing in the manger. He began to bark loudly at the fox. Each time that the ox came near the hay, the dog snarled, barked, and snapped at the ox. He would not allow the ox to eat hay. Okay, तो उसने उसको खाने ही नहीं दिया, त्याला खाऊच दिलं नाही बघा इकडे. इकडे बघा दिसतंय. त्याला खाऊच देत नव्हतं. आता तो बिचारा वैतागला. कोण वैतागणार असणार, साहजिकच आहे, तो हा वैतागला कोण, ऑक्स. नाव often sorry oxen are generally peace loving and patient animals, but finally the ox got upset and spoke firmly. Dog, if you wanted to share my dinner with me, if you wanted to share my dinner with me, I would not mind it, but you neither eat the hay nor allow me to enjoy it. It is of no use to you. Then why don't you let me have my favorite food? Don't be begrudge others what you want, what you don't enjoy yourself. तो म्हणाला, अरे तू एक तर गवत खाणार पण नाहीस आणि मला खाऊ पण देणार नाहीस. असं का करतोस? तुला खायचं गवत तर तू खा. तुझे खाना है तो खा ले, लेकिन मुझे क्यों बीच में ला रहा है तू? कारण तू एक तर गवत खात नाही कुठं, तो मला माहिती आहे. तर तू खात पण नाहीस, मला खाऊ पण देत नाहीस. राइट? ठीक आहे. सो यू गॉट टू थिंग्स हियर. And you can write this question answers also.